Welcome to New Car Toyota Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts from our dealership to your door. These are genuine Toyota front and rear splash guard mud flap sets for your 2021 to 2026 Sienna. They're designed to protect your vehicle's paint and undercarriage from road debris, rocks, and gravel that get kicked up while you drive. You'll see all 4 guards installed on a Sienna, showing the perfect fit and factory finish. This complete mud flap set is engineered to fit Sienna models from 2021 through 2026, including popular trims like the LA, XLE, and Platinum. Road debris constantly attacks your Sienna's paint, but this genuine Toyota mud flap set stops rocks and gravel before damage strikes. All 4 guards working together prevent costly repairs and protect your resale value. Genuine Toyota splash guards fit your body lines perfectly. Cheap versions hang loose and leave dangerous gaps. Shop our full catalog of Toyota parts at New Car. We offer genuine OEM parts, warranty protection, fitment guarantee, and fast shipping to get your parts to your door. Not sure if this part is right for your Sienna? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you get the perfect fit. Your vehicle identification number is located on your dashboard, in the door jamb, or on your registration card. That 17-digit code identifies your exact vehicle. Shop with New Car Toyota Parts, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.